Spicy crayfish stir-fry process. Part Add 2. Lobster sauce. You must pay attention to the cooking time. Okay, after we explode the incense. Now after the fragrance comes out, just put in our beer right away. Good beer. To burst incense. Now this spicy flavor has come out. We'd better turn on this convulsive typhoon at this time. Okay, now put in the sesame oil. And the black pepper we prepared beforehand. Burst again. We are now paying attention to using a fire. Okay, now put in our processed lobster. Good to stir fry. When stir frying, be sure to remember not to use too much force. Everyone pay attention to my method, so as not to damage the horns of the lobster. Let's simply stir fry it. The goal is to make it tasty. What about the form of stir frying? In this gentler way. To flip it. At this time, you will smell the obvious aroma of beer. Okay, then let's fire up. Ready to put in our water. Now add water. What about the water? Let's put some more. Remember that there is no specific amount of water for this, because in the end, we have to collect the water to collect the juice. So it is almost enough to put the water. Now let's turn on the maximum fire to collect the juice. What about this water? Friends with conditions can also use hot water. How about we collect the juice faster? If you are a household stove, you can put a little less water, but be diligent in flipping. If you are a commercial stove, it is recommended to turn on a high fire to collect juice. You can put more water. Okay, now I'll switch the camera to after we collect the juice. We are in. Put in our seasoning before collecting the juice. This seasoning must wait until the water boils before putting it in. Let's observe now. When there are bubbles in the pot, when the splash comes out, it means we can now put in our seasoning. Seasoning, yes. Chicken essence, MSG, salt, sugar, okay, now let's do a juice collection. And I'm just going to flip to after we've got the juice away. Let me show you the effect of our finished lobster. Here, the master reminds everyone that there is no need to cover the pot. Just boil the pot directly. So let's take a look. Where is the juice now? It's almost received. Let me show you our juice. It's a little sticky. I will show you a spoonful of my style. Let's see if this juice is a little sticky. At this time, we can do it. Let's turn off the fire immediately. And I'm going to put this on a plate. Let me show you the effect of our finished product. This is spicy crayfish. Let's take a look. Stay tuned for the next issue.